did it! We finally bit the bullet and bought ourselves the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. Needless to say, we've been dreaming about owning one for a while now, and that day is finally here. In this video, we're going to check out our new Mavic Pro Platinum and check out all the accessories we got with it and take our first flight as new drone owners. So watch as we capture some breathtaking views of Düsseldorf off the River Rhine in Germany with our new Mavic Pro Platinum.
Hey guys, good morning. This is the Traveling Sinks. Today we are reporting from Maarhezen, Netherlands, and we are really excited to share something with you. We have been waiting for this for quite some time ourselves and thinking about it, and it's here now. So we want to share this with you as well. We're as excited as you are. So here we go. Here it is, our new drone, the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. We finally decided to take the plunge, or in this case, take the flight into taking a new perspective on our travels. What we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this package and see what's in there, and try to also show you our journey through how we got to selecting this particular drone. So stay tuned. We're going to have fun. So what do we have in there? Let's start with the biggest box because Christmas is early. Alright, here it is, the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. So we have some trips coming up to Asia soon, and we have been thinking about it, that why not change the perspective of how we travel, get a new view on it, and of course the drone is the way to go. There's quite a few drones in the market, so it's not always an easy choice, but we wanted to make a conscious decision. So there were three key factors that we were looking for. Number one, the portability. So the DJI Mavic Pro, as most of you may know, is one of the most portable drones in the market. It folds up into a really nice compact drone, which we are going to take a look in a minute. So that was number one. Number two, we were looking for something that's not too loud, and DJI Mavic Pro Platinum is one of the quietest drones in the market right now. It's recording in some of the YouTube videos that I watched during the research, it's recording somewhere close to about 89 to 90 decibel, which is one of the quieter ones in the market. So that's number two. And why the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum and not something else? The biggest factor for us in this case was the battery life, which is number three. So the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum, the advertised battery life on it is about 30 minutes flight time. For drone comparisons, this is something that is very critical. That was the third important factor for us, and that's why we chose the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. So what we're going to do is we're going to see now what's in the box. Just for the record, we have never ever flown a drone before. So it's going to be exciting. We're going to learn as we go through the process. We've seen some unboxings, we've seen some videos. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so we'll start with the biggest box first. Like I said, we'll start with opening up the first one. So let's see what's in the box. Are you excited? Alright, so here we go. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so we have a booklet, a manual, or I think, yeah, something about training center for unmanned aerial systems. I bought this drone from Taipei. So instructions are in Mandarin, so that's going to be interesting. And here it is, this beautiful bird. Let's take a close look at it. Oh, wowzy. Look at how small this thing is. Look at how beautifully it folds into this compact. little device. I don't know what to say. I'm literally in awe because we have been thinking about buying one for quite some time, and now I'm holding one in my hand. And the first thing that jumps out at me is the beautiful color. Platinum, of course. It's very nice finish, almost like a matte finish on there. So just take a quick look at this. It also has some stickers on there, quick instructions. So if you can zoom into that a little bit here, there's a 1, 2, 3 on how you want to unbox the drone and get it ready for the flight. Just to give you a quick perspective on how small this thing is. So this is my iPhone, and this is the drone. So you can almost literally pack it up into your backpack as you're flying in a small pocket. Okay, so we're gonna unfold it now. As I said, there's some instructions right around here. It says start with this, so unfold the top. Wow, this thing is really sturdy. There goes the top. And now we're gonna go for the bottom. All right. And just like that, you're ready. Well, not quite yet. So let's see what else is inside the box. So here we go. So quickly, right there, we are getting ready to build our first drone. Okay, so I'm going to put this to the side, and then we're going to see what else is in the box. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's see what else is in there. And here I have the second item in the box, which is the remote controller. So just feels like a remote controller for a PlayStation. Oh, the joysticks are very responsive. It's got a nice spring to it, which is always good, because one other thing that I did check out on a few YouTube videos is when you're flying your drone, you want the joysticks to be very responsive and stop when you want the drone to stop, because you don't want to lose your drone. So here are, oops, I don't know what I'm doing. Ah, there we go. Here are the antennas. Excellent. And boom. So here are the antennas. Basically, this is how you would communicate to your drone when it's in flight. Okay, so this is the hold button, and as I learned yesterday from one of the YouTube videos I was checking out before the unboxing, this is to stop your drone in flight and make it stationary at a point if you're running into, say, an obstacle, or you have a really nice frame and you just want to get a nice 360 shot there. So this would be perfect there. And then a few other things which are really handy. So to notice on the back side of the controls, so this is for taking a still shot. So that's pretty handy. So you can just click it and you can take a shot right there. And right there on the other side, so the left side, here you have the record button. So you can see it's pretty similar to what you would see on your TV controls or something else. And you can start recording as soon as you're in flight, so you don't have to go to any of the other features in your app to do so. Okay, let's see what else do we have in there. So there's a tiny box, almost like a holder, with a bunch of cables. So these are the ones we're going to use to charge the batteries. Yeah, that's the power cable. We're in Europe, so we're gonna have to attach an adapter to that. There's the booklet for it, and you also have the power adapter. So this is going to get attached right here. Also some additional propellers in the box. Just gonna take a quick look in there, take a sneak peek. Yeah, just some additional propellers. So that's good to have that extra set when you're traveling, just in case you run into something or the propellers are wearing off over time. So good to keep an extra set of those. And that's about it. I think that's mainly what we have in there. So not much more to explore. Pretty compact, I think that's the best part, because everything is almost there. All we need to do now is start charging the batteries, and I'll take a quick look for the batteries. So you just press these two buttons that are on the sides. Yeah, you press them together and just yank it out of the back, and see how beautifully this thing fits right in there. One thing you always want to make sure is you don't run out of battery life, and this is your savior. We got another set of the battery in order to make sure we don't run out of battery when we're traveling, because that's the last thing you want. So this will be our savior. We'll always keep this in our bag as well. So that's good. What else? Before we open this box, one last thing. Outside of the battery, the other thing you do not want to run out of is your storage. So the DJI Mavic Pro does come with a 16 gig micro SD card built into it, but for some of you who already know, getting some good footage on there, and if you keep going, especially with the extra battery life, you need some extra storage. So this is what we did, is we also bought a 32 gig micro SD card just for backup purposes, and so that we can share some more good footage with you guys. So make sure you also subscribe to our channel, The Traveling Sings, on YouTube, because we're getting ready for this. Okay, so last but not least, before we start charging this baby, oh, how did I not refer to this? So this is the most important part of your drone. This is the camera. So you see on this camera, it comes with a nice cover. You can remove the cover, and now you see that you have access to the camera. Yeah. And then you have a cover on top of this camera also, which comes off, and boom, there's the nice gimbal on there. Nice sturdy camera. So we're going to get some beautiful footage. So the more I explore this, the more I find that DJI has done a really good job of making everything so compact that it is okay, there we go, that it would fit right into your travel bag. So what we also did, so now we get to the other big box. So what we also did here is we bought so we also bought this nice bag right here, and everything that you see on this table is going to fit nicely into one compact bag. Look at it. Look at how beautiful this bag is, and it says Mavic right there on the top. I had to pay extra for this one. This is not part of the combo pack. This is basically, I bought the Mavic Pro separately. This is not part of the combo pack, so I had to put things together. The reason that happened is because the combo pack was not available, but that's okay, because once you get some good gadgets, some good toys, you want to make sure that you have good bags, good storage to hold them, put them all together. There's a lot of good pockets in there, individual compartments to keep everything organized, your SD cards. Yeah, again, just to give you an idea about the size of this thing, see how small that is. So compared to your iPhone, everything folds nicely into this one bag. Next thing, we're going to charge the battery and we're going to see you outside. We're going to take our first flight and this is going to get real. So stay tuned.